Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and getting straight to the task. Tap the Chrome icon, then press the three-dot menu. This gets you to the options quickly. Once done, make sure any distracting tabs are closed, because Incognito opens clean from current app state. Also check your Chrome profile status so you know whether sync is active. This matters, since Incognito won't save browsing history, but signed-in accounts can still send data. Now start an Incognito tab. Tap the three-dot menu and choose New Incognito tab. That creates a session separate from regular browsing. Once inside, use the tab switcher to open or close multiple Incognito tabs because each tab shares the same private session. Remember why? Incognito keeps no local history, cookies clear on close, and autofill is disabled. However, downloads and bookmarks still persist on your device. To finish, close every Incognito tab. That action ends the private session and removes cookies and site data from that session. Once closed, verify by reopening Chrome. You should see regular tabs only. If you signed into any account while incognito, sign out before closing to avoid lingering access. If something goes wrong, clear Chrome's cache or update the app. These steps fix stuck tabs or session bugs. If problems persist, restart the phone to reset network and app states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.